Suzuki. The fuse box is missing in here, so I gotta order one of them. They're about 15 bucks on eBay. But I'm just hooking the battery cables directly to the starter motor. Gonna do a compression check, and just to see what I'm in for on this bike. And, I know it turns over. I pulled the plugs out, and I pulled the timing cover off, and it turns over pretty freely. So I just got this hooked to the battery there. Come on. Good place to clamp on there. £75, not too good there. Yeah, I squirted penetrating oil in all 4 plugs. Phone keeps ringing. $125, that's better. If they're all $125, that'd be good. $90. I think I gotta charge that battery pretty soon. I don't remember the last time I charged it. It's my garage battery. So those two weren't very good. Battery's just about dead. I'm getting about 60 pounds on that one. I gotta charge that battery. So that's not too good. So I'm sure it's going to be the valves. Gummed up, corroded up. I'm going to pull the valve cover off next, but not today. These bikes you can pull the heads right off in the frame. So now I'm going to charge my battery up. And I'm just going to put a single headlight in here. I think I'm going to put that 4-into-1 on once I get it running. I'm going to pull the carbs off, clean them up. But it looks like I'm going to have to pull this head off, check the valves all out, and the cylinders. winter project, another one. What else did I do? Oh, I got the locks all working. What I did is I bought a new gas cap for the tank. Shut this off. I couldn't get this cap off the other one, so I drilled it out. It popped right off. So then I bought one of these on eBay for 15 bucks with a key. So that works there with a key. And then I took this off and the trunk lock off, and I drilled out the pins, and then took out some of the pins for this to work. It locks too. So I got that working. Got that working. Got a couple tank rubbers on there. They're only $4 each, $4.49 or $4.49 for the pair. And now I got to straighten out all the wiring. That's the big job on this bike, I think, is going to be the wiring. It'd be nice to pull this head off anyways, you know, just to see what's there. I'm going to have the exhaust off anyways. And the carbs will be off, so it'll be pretty easy to get at. And clean all the valves up and see if that's where it's leaking. I'm pretty sure that's where it's going to be leaking, past the valves. Okay, that's going to be it today for the GS 1100. It's a 1983. He told me 82, but it was built in January 1st, or January of 1983. So this is an 83 model, GK. Okay.